Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to start creating multiple Gmail account, and this is real. This method would work for you if you try it out immediately, but I want you to watch from the very start to the very end so you understand the trick and what we are trying to do to avoid Google from asking us for phone number verification. Now I'm going to quickly come over to my browser, and right there guys, you can see this particular VPN is on, and this is the VPN that would help me hide my location online and make it look like I am browsing from a new device. And this would work because I'm trying to tell Google that I am valid and I'm just starting out online, and it would help me reduce Google verification processes. Now if you want to get access to the strong VPN, this is the VPN that would hide your location and also get to help you choose a better location so you can start browsing from. Now the reason why I've been able to create multiple Gmail account is because this particular VPN has helped me wipe out my history, helped me wipe out my cookies, and it feels like I'm browsing from a new device and from a strong country. If you want to get access to this VPN, I'm going to be leaving the link in my Telegram channel, so you can see. If you're a member of my Telegram channel, you can join and you can download this VPN absolutely for free, and it works super fine. If you want to get access to my Telegram channel, use the link below to join my channel. Click on the link, join my channel, and get access to my daily updates on how to create multiple Gmail accounts. So let's get started. So right here you can see I've been able to select my country, and right now you're going to be finding that my location has been hidden, and you can see I have everything well started. So now I'm going to come over to Google, and right from here is where I want to click on create account. Now once I'm here from this very on spot here, I'm going to come over to this place, and I'm going to select for personal use. Okay, then from here I'm going to quickly add my name. Now adding my name, I have to sound more unique and real because Google must know that this is not a bot trying to create an account. So once I've been able to add that, I'm going to come over to this place where it says add your basic information. Guys, I want you to follow me so you get to see the trick behind this. Now I'm going to add in my personal location. Remember, Google is also a bot, and you must be so wise to beat the bot. So I'm going to click on basic information. I'm going to add in right here very quick. All right, now guys, you can see it's asking us for our password, so I'm going to quickly add my password. All right, and I'm going to quickly do that right now, and I'm going to click on next. All right, and now guys, you can see what it is asking us of. You can see it's asking us to either put in a recovery email or a recovery phone number. Now this is the magic. You see, the reason why we use VPN like that, I'm not going to expose the name because I don't want this VPN to be banned from we using it. So you can just join my Telegram channel. All right, join my Telegram channel where you can get access to it by yourself, and I want you to keep it private. So join, download the VPN, and start using it. So this VPN is so strong that it will help you hide your location online, help you hide everything that Google can track to start asking you for phone verification. Amazing, 100% free. So guys, you can see that we have been asked to input a phone number and an email for verification, but for me, I'm just going to skip this process. So mind you, if you are able to come over to this place, I want you to skip this process. But should in case this is not what you're saying, I want you to subscribe, join me. All right, maybe in my next video I'm also going to try some other ways, find out some other ways for you to start creating multiple Gmail account with, so you don't want to miss it out. So from here I'm just going to skip this, all right, and I'm going to click on review my Google account. Now from here, all right, all I have to do, all right, is to agree to Google's policy. And guys, this is it here. You can see we have a brand new Gmail account created for us. So I can also repeat the process again for you guys to see that this method actually works. So if you think that this would work for you, I want you to try it out right now, and I want you to come tell me if this worked for you. And should in case you find it very difficult in creating multiple Gmail accounts, I want you to subscribe or join my Telegram channel where I help people with personal requests in creating multiple Gmail accounts. And if you also want me to help you, I can also help you. So I'm going to recap the video again, and you can watch along, all right, to understand how the VPN works and how you can use it in creating multiple Gmail accounts. account. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think, and let me know if this worked for you. Bye.